Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. I hope you had a lovely weekend. Looking on the 4 hour NAS. And as we're coming to the end of September, we'll look at the monthly chart as well. We have our, as you know, our major supports are marked over here 24,000. We look previous resistance, price broke above, flipped it beautifully into support over here. So I had this area marked out. We had a nice pullback from our, what is this, 24,800 resistance, all time high. Beautiful pullback down to 24,220. I was waiting for, see my alert is down here, 20, but I should have put it so low. But 24, I would have liked another touch of 24,000, a nice double bottom, triple bottom over here would have been nice. But in any case, a really nice pullback. This is, what is this, 24,220. So key area to watch are, as you can see, approaching resistance again. Again, now we've got to watch for, we know what to watch for. If price pushes up, rejects it as a double top, and we look for a sell. If it does reject it and form a reversal. If we see a break and close above, then we look for this level to be flipped into support. This was a really nice flip over here, resistance, support, and even over here, resistance, flipped into support. Look at this wick, beautiful. So this is 24,400 and 24,200, still a major support, psychological level 24,000. So guys, key area to watch is that 24,800 for a double top. Let's see if we get rejection. Price could get pushed through and fake out and close below. It's all about what happens if we need a daily close above this level to see if price is going to continue higher. But we also need to be mindful of if it does reject as resistance and look for a because we are very, very, very high. So looking at the news for the week, I don't think it's anything major. Slow news day today. Tuesday. That's odd. USD news, charts openings Tuesday. Going into the new month. So obviously FP and then Friday. A few red cases over there. Quite a slow news week without FOMC, but maybe a good thing. But again, let's look at the monthly. Just take these markings off. So guys, you can see on the monthly quite overextended at the top of the monthly channel as resistance. So looking at when we had a top, this was the last top of the monthly channel. We had 16,750. Look at it, boom, down to 10,000. So we look at this at this point, top of the channel over here. So let's see what happens over here. It would be nice to get a reversal or a rejection so that we could get a nice pullback. If we look at these wicks here on the monthly, wick price starting to go up, then go resistance, resistance, and boom, down, flipping this previous high and resistance into support. That's our 16,700, guys. Don't know if you guys remember. But as you can see, bullish, 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 a bit overextended now. Wick starting seeing wick rejection to the upside, but this could be a nice time for the markets to have a pullback. But let's see. So it's very high, so buys are getting very dangerous. So just be careful out there, guys. And we do have a little hangman on the weekly. So will this week we in now give us that reversal? As you can see, I have my alert over here. So let's put this higher on 24,000. But this is also a nice level for us. It's 22,250. If we do get a reversal, you can see, as you can see on the week, this was a high, an all-time high. Price fell heavily from this level. Price broke above, but hasn't put a wick through this level yet as support, and it's bottom of the weekly channel. So interesting. Let's see if we do get a reversal formed, and then look for a sell down to this level. But awesome, guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to message me. Thanks so much, guys.